Hey there, home cooks. Jimmy here, and today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to whip up a fudge chocolate tart in no time at all. Make sure you like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Alright, let's get started. First, the ingredients. You'll need 200 grams of digestive biscuits, 100 grams of melted butter, 200 grams of dark chocolate, 200 milliliters of double cream, 50 grams of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Got all that? Great. Step 1. Pop those digestive biscuits into a food processor and blitz until they're fine crumbs. Mix the crumbs with the melted butter until it looks like wet sand. Press this mixture firmly into a tart tin. Toss it in the fridge to chill while we move on. Step 2. In a saucepan, heat up the double cream and sugar over medium heat until it's just about to boil. Don't let it boil over, though. Stir in your chopped dark chocolate and a pinch of salt. Keep stirring until it's smooth and glossy. Step 3. Pour that luscious chocolate filling into your chilled tart crust. Smooth it out with a spatula, and then pop it back in the fridge for at least an hour to set. And voila! You've got yourself a decadent fudge chocolate tart that'll impress any guest. Just slice it up and enjoy. Remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!